Lecture 2. Setting up your project for success. In this lecture, we are going to dive into an essential part of video editing, setting up your project for success. A successful project setup can make or break the editing process, and it's crucial to get it right from the start. By learning how to efficiently organize and optimize your workspace, you'll be able to edit smoothly, saving both time and effort. This lecture will give you the tools to build a strong foundation for every video project you work on. By the end, you will have the skills to create an organized and optimized project setup in CapCut, setting the foundation for all your future video edits. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn how to create and set up a new project in CapCut. Understand how to choose the right aspect ratio for different platforms. Discover how to organize your assets and workspace for efficient editing. Gain insights on setting up a timeline that supports smooth editing workflows. Creating a new project in CapCut. When you first open CapCut, in here, the very first thing you will do is create a new project. Like in here, when you just click in here to create a new project. So this is the interface. This step is important because it sets the foundation for the entire video editing process. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open the CapCut app in here and click on Create Project in here to start editing. You will be prompted to select your media files. Now you will have to import your footages, images and audio clips in here. Choose your aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is crucial because it determines how your video will be displayed on different platforms. For aspect ratio, you can just click in here and you have all these options available like 16:9, 4:3 and all of these. 16:9, standard for YouTube, Vimeo and most social media videos. 9:16, like this one. Ideal for Instagram stories, TikTok and vertical video platforms. 1:1, in here. Square format, perfect for Instagram posts. Why this matters? Choosing the correct aspect ratio from the start will save you time and effort down the road. It prevents cropping, stretching and adjusting your clips later on. Always set the aspect ratio based on the platform you plan to publish on. This ensures that your video looks exactly how you want it to when it's uploaded. Importing and organizing assets. Now that your project is set up, the next step is importing your media and organizing it. This is a step that many creators overlook, but it's essential for smooth editing. Importing media. CapCut allows you to import a variety of media types, including video, images, and audio. You will have to click in here as import. And here you can see we have created a folder named CapCut Pro. And you can just click in here. And we'll have to select all the footages, audio, and graphics. We have all the footages that we'll be using in here, so you can just see all that if you want to. So you can select any of these. For example, if you want to import all of these, so you can just select all by pressing Ctrl+A and click on open. And here you can see all the videos have been imported in here. Or you can use CapCut's built-in library of free resources. Organizing your assets. To keep things neat and make the editing process easier, it's a good idea to organize your assets. For that, you will have to create folders for your clips, audio files, and images. For that, you can just right click on that. And here is the option as new folder. You can name it, scroll down a bit. This folder has been created. To rename that, you can just click in here and rename that. For example, it has videos or footage, so you can name it as footage and click on save. And you can move all of these clips in here one by one as well, but if you want to select more, so you can press Ctrl and select all of these. And move all of these files in a folder. And when you open this folder, it has all the footage in here. And you will have to do the same thing again, like you can just right click in here, click on new folder, and you can just rename that as audio. And click on save, open that and click in here as import. Go back and select audio and select all of these as we have sounds in here. Go back to all, right click again and new folder, rename that with graphics and click on save. Open that, click on import and go back and go to graphics folder, select these as we have in here, all of these images, and click on open. Here you can see you have imported all the images as well that we'll be using in this project. Why this matters? An organized workspace will help you save time and avoid confusion as your project progresses. Plus, if you're working on larger projects with many clips, it will help you stay focused and efficient. Spend a little time organizing at the start. It's a small investment that will pay off as your project grows. Setting up your timeline. The timeline is where most of the editing happens, and setting it up correctly can make your workflow much more efficient. Here's what you need to know. Multiple tracks. CapCut allows you to add multiple tracks to your timeline. This is crucial when you want to layer different elements like video clips, audio tracks, text, and effects. Video tracks. Place your video clips on the video tracks, making sure they align correctly. For example, we just go to footage folder, and for example, you just choose this one and drag it on the timeline. So this is your video track. Use separate audio tracks for background music, sound effects, and voiceovers. This way, you can easily adjust the audio without affecting your video. For that, you can just go back to folders and use audio folder, and you can use any of these. But for now, we're going with this one and drag it on the audio track in here. So this is your audio track and this is your video track. Editing space. The timeline allows you to zoom in and out for finer control over your edits. To zoom in, you can use this icon as zoom in, and for zoom out, you can use this one. If you're working with a long project, zoom in to work on small details and zoom out for a broader view of your entire project. Here you can see when you just zoom in, you have more control over the edits. And when you just zoom out, here you can see the broader view of the project. Keep your timeline as simple as possible. Avoid clutter by only adding tracks you actually need. This will help you stay organized and make it easier to navigate as you edit. Optimizing your workspace for efficiency. A well-organized workspace will help you edit faster and with less stress. Here are some tips for optimizing your editing environment. Customizing the interface. CapCut allows you to resize and adjust the layout of your workspace. For that, you can just click in here. And here you have options like default, media, attributes, and vertical. For example, you just want to go with attributes, then the entire layout will be changed. When you just choose media, then the media file will be in here. Then the interface will become like this. But if you go with default or vertical, you have this in here. Like preview window is in here, and the timeline is here, and here is the media folders. With vertical layout, you have the preview window in here, timeline in here, and media in here. And here is the keyframe window. If you prefer a larger preview window, you can resize it to your liking. You can also move the timeline, tool panel, and other sections for better accessibility. But as we are working on default, so you can just go to default. So this is your timeline, and you can just reduce the size of that and reduce the size of that as well if you want the preview window in here. But if you want the timeline a little more visible, so you can just drag this up, and here you can see you have timeline in here, preview window in here, and media in here. Shortcut keys. Learn the shortcut keys to speed up your workflow. For example, use Ctrl+Z to undo actions and spacebar to play or pause the video. Previewing clips. Before adding clips to the timeline, take advantage of CapCut's preview feature. This lets you quickly view your clips and determine if they fit your project before committing to the timeline. Why this matters? A customized, efficient workspace helps you stay focused and productive throughout your editing process.